Clear Brown, North Dallas, working on one of my little favorite crossovers, an NX 300 by Lexus. This is just a full front with mirrors and XPEL Ultimate Plus, and that's all we did, but still not leaving out wrapping our edges. Hood gets wrapped in, fenders all get wrapped in, all to the doors get wrapped in. Door not done, but fender done, okay? So everything's wrapped in. Very nice car to do, very simple car. Just love this little guy. It's so easy to drive, easy to do everything. Everything's set up nice on the interior. But there it is, a nice clean install. Everything nicely done. These were not taken back, so we just ran, excuse me, the film down to the edge. Some cars you don't need to go crazy on. We just need to cover all the paint that we can, but still keeping in mind wrapping those edges and getting a clean install. No marks, nothing in it. Everything nice and glossy, nice good edges, lenses all done, even that little hockey thing, Nike, whatever, and the one down below. So there it is, 2021 NX F Sport by Lexus, full front XPEL Ultimate Plus, and that's it. Take care, have a great day.